bitch.
We're rolling.
Yeah, I like to fuck my bitches up because I got my heels on. Yeah. Rita Jane.
Rita Jane.
I won't talk back ever again. Don't hit me. Is my nose bleeding, you fucker?
Just shut out! I'm gonna eat your clitoris so hard.
Don't go for the educated black woman over there.
Not me.
Oh, she's not. Come here. Cut. I'm after her. Rita, hold your spot. Wait a minute. Get back down. Both of you.
No, I think my nose is bleeding.
No, it's not.
Is it?
No, it's not.
Yeah, certainly.
Really?
Listen, girls, I'm not kidding. I have a huge cock. Okay, y'all lay down. It's all part of the film. Lay down. We're filming. Oh. And it hurts.
Oh.
It hurts. And now lay back and you're scared.
Oh!
I can get my shoes. I'll be right back.
Right.
You're scared. Lay back. I gotta get my shoes.
We don't know what's going on.
It's not the same without my shoes. Please.
Oh, God. No.
Lay down and spread your legs because I'll hit you with my heels.
Those are my heels, bitch.
I'm almost there. All right. There it is. Oh, yeah.
Man, you got a hot bottom.
Scream, it hurts.
Well, yeah, that.
It's scream, it hurts.
Oh my God! I so want to fuck you.
No, okay, now you play with her breast. I mean,
Okay, okay, I'll play with your breast.
No. It's where my
Okay,
heels.
cut. That's a print. I
I
got a heel on my head, a knee on my nose.
How'd that work out?
I understand that. It'd be really fucked up if I broke my nose.
I mean, I tell you.